Hey, check this out. It's just a disaster. There's stuff in here that we just don't need. That blanket, I mean, come on. Really? We've been living out here since we put the dark nest up for sale. And we have moved everything about 95%, which I said in another video, out of dark nest, out to the motorhome, which is going to be our home when we become houseless. So we're playing the waiting game right now. The next video I post might be some really good news. In fact, I know it'll probably be really good news when we finally get our family members the stuff that I promised them inside dark nest. But for the time being, I noticed a lot of cabinets out here. I've already cleared that side. But this back here, this basement storage here, but things happen. When you use these motorhomes as campers, you just shove every damn thing inside them. Stuff that you might not even touch. And I'm finally, since we've purged dark nest, I'm finally purging the motorhome so it's functioning, going to function as a house. If that makes any sense. Filing, buying fireproof containers for all of our important documents, all that nonsense. I didn't film it because it's a part of downsizing, and it's one thing I suggest you do is get fireproof containers for all your important documents. I have a lot of writing. I got a fireproof and waterproof filing cabinet that I stash that stuff in. You're talking from the 90s on. So today I'm just going to take and organize this. I'm going to show you a before, maybe an after, depends on how great the project turns out. I believe that compartment that I just showed you had all of this in it. Now, it's my job to purge, reorganize, and get this stuff, sorry about the slip up last time, back in that basement storage. Sizing has its cost because you still have those tiny things that you're really interested in keeping. And if you see back here, these are two very large chocolate candy molds that Maria had collected, and I'm going to fit them. The big one barely fits in that one there. So I'm going to get this cleaned out again with the vacuum, put those back there, and try to get all this in there except for the hose. Wish me luck. Now look at that. Nice and clean. All right, thanks for coming back to Dark Nest Travels and watching this boring ass video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Press the alert button down below. It is if you care to see us. If not, I guess you can move on to the next RV travel channel. So press like, subscribe, and come back for updates on our full-time adventure. Hopefully coming soon. We will see.